Hello everyone. So today we are going to begin our module 5 of chapter Writing and City Life in the Mesopotamian civilization. In our earlier modules, we have already discussed the geography of Mesopotamia, how the urbanization occurred in Mesopotamia, the transportation system of Mesopotamia, and most importantly, the emergence of the writing. And in our last module, we have discussed how the cities emerged in Mesopotamian civilization. Some developed around the temples, some emerged because of the trading routes, and some emerged because of being the imperial cities or the capital cities of the kings. Today, we are going to discuss one such town, that is the town of Ur, which was situated in the southern Mesopotamia, that is in the Sumer region. Ur was one of the earliest sites that were excavated in the Mesopotamian civilization. The excavation at Ur reveals the domestic structure of the city. We have already read that in Mesopotamia, hundreds of tablets were found. With the help of tablets, we can reconstruct the society of Mesopotamia. We know from the legal text like the disputes, inheritance matters, etc., that in the Mesopotamian society the nuclear family was the norm. Although a married son often resided with his parents only. The father was the head of the family. We know a little about the procedures of marriage, but we know that a declaration was made about the willingness to marry, the bride's parents giving their consent to the marriage. Sides of bride and groom used to exchange the gifts. When the wedding took place, when the mother in law of the bride came to fetch her, the bride was given her share of inheritance by her father. The father houses, herds, fields, etc. were inherited by the son. That means the Mesopotamian society was a patriarchal society, that is, the society that was dominated by the males. The daughters didn't have any right over the property of her father, she was just given a gift during her wedding. After studying the family structure, now let us look at Ur, one of the earliest cities to have been excavated in Mesopotamia. Ur was a town whose ordinary houses were systematically excavated in the 1930s. As indicated in the map given below, you can clearly see that Ur was located in the southern Mesopotamia, which was also known as the Sumer region. The various evidences suggest the following details about the Mesopotamian domestic architecture of ordinary houses. The streets were very narrow, which indicates that wheeled carts could not have reached many of the houses. Therefore, the sack of grains and firewood would have to be arrived on the horseback. The narrow winding of the streets and the irregular shapes of the house plots also indicate an absence of town planning. There were no street drains found in the houses. Drains and clay pipes were instead found in the inner courtyard of the Ur houses, and it is thought that the house roof sloped inward and the rainwater was channeled via the drain pipes. This would have been a way of preventing the unpaved streets from becoming excessively filled with the waste after a heavy rainfall. Yet people seem to have swept all the household waste into the streets to be trodden under the foots. This made street level rise, and over the time the threshold of the houses had also to be raised so that no mud would flow inside after the drains. That means that in Mesopotamia the people didn't have a sense of sanitation. Lights came into the rooms not from the windows but from the doorways opening into the courtyards. This would also have given families their privacy. There were superstitions about houses recorded in the tablets at Ur, which included a raised threshold brought wealth, A front door that did not open towards another house was considered to be lucky, which indicates that the Sumerians or the Mesopotamians, we can say that they were quite superstitious and had a deep concern for their privacy. There is an evidence of a town cemetery at Ur in which the graves of royalty and commoners have been found, but a few individuals were found buried under the floors of ordinary houses. What these cemetery tell us is that a ruling elite has emerged. A small section of society had a major share of wealth. When a royal family member used to die, they were buried along with jewelry, gold vessels, wooden musical instruments, and various type of precious metal. These all indicate that the Mesopotamians believed in life after death. Therefore, we can see how excavation of Ur provides us important insights into the life and society of Mesopotamia. In our next module, we will be studying a town named Mari that emerged as an important trading center.